Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export Microsoft Planner to PDF. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Microsoft Planner, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Microsoft Planner does not have a built-in feature to directly export a plan to PDF. However, there are a few workarounds that we're going to explore so you can basically export the Microsoft Planner plans or plan data or visual layout into a PDF. Number one option is you might want to take screenshots and convert to PDF. All right, if you're looking to export the visual layout of your plan board, so I want you to click on the left side panel of your dashboard and go to My Plans and click the plan that you wanted to convert into PDF. In this case, I'm going to be choosing this one right here. All right, now you can use your computer or your machine to use a screen capture tool like sniping tool right here. You can use that. You can select the snip mode using the mode button or click the new button, or you can simply use your computer's print screen option. If you do that, print screen and go to the any image editor that you wanted. For example, in my case, I'm going to be using Canva. All right, so here, this is going to be the screenshot of the board that I wanted to export as PDF. Now, you see, all I'm going to do is once it's saved here as a screenshot, all I have to do is click on the upper right corner that says share, and I'm going to click on download. All right, and the option that I'm going to select is the PDF. Now, selecting the PDF, you have two options here. All right, so there's going to be the PDF standard, which is best for documents and emailing, or the PDF print, which is best for printing. All right, so it's up to you, whatever you prefer. If you click on the PDF print, what will happen is you would be asked to use or choose the color profile. Is it going to be RGB or the CMYK, depending on your preferences? That's one way. Another option that you can do is in the export data, there's going to be an option here on the drop-down menu that says export plan to Excel. Now, all you have to do is click on this option right here. Now, once you have exported the data here in the Microsoft Excel, all you're going to do is go to the file section. Now, here, all you have to do is really easy. Click on the save as. And from here, you just have to choose the PDF option right here. And that's basically how you can export the Microsoft Planner data into PDF. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.